Yo! So today it's going to be super duper hot. So I'm planning on heading off to the library where it's air conditioned and getting some writing done. But it's real tricky because next to me in bed right now is my wee little sleepy ratter, Toby. Listen to him snoring. How am I meant to go and be like motivated and do writing with that? Listen to his little snoring. He's so good. Alright, yeah. So I guess I will ramble for a little bit, but not too long today. At the moment, my novel, it's going pretty well. I still haven't hit like 50,000 words, but I've worked out what I need to do, like all the storyboarding, basic storyboarding kind of stuff. So hopefully I'll start getting all good and productive at writing my novel. Yay! I'm hoping to get stuff ready for the Rochelle Prize. I'll do a video about that properly later, but it's this really exciting prize around the middle of the year. It should be coming out, and basically you don't have to have a full manuscript finished, like it's not for a full novel that's actually finished. You need the first 3 chapters and a synopsis of like the following chapters, so you don't actually have to have written them, you just need to have storyboarded them basically, and then do a 750 word explanation of basically why you should win the prize, like what advantage it'll have for you. It's $10,000 and a mentorship, so I'm pretty excited to enter that. It looks really good. Oh, he's just so cute. Oh no. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna do that. That'll be good. I'm also looking at trying to get something published in #NBLife. If you're a writer as well and you're trans, non-binary, gender diverse, you should check out NBLife. It's currently seeking submissions into the end of January, so get on that. Alright, I'm gonna go melt a bit in both the heat and the adorableness of my little snuffly snory rat. Alright, see yous.